Topic: The internal structure of the Earth. The interior of the Earth is made up of several concentric layers, of which the crust, the mantle, the outer core and the inner core are significant because of their unique physical and chemical properties. The crust is a silicate solid, the mantle is a viscous molten rock, the outer core is a viscous liquid, and the inner core is a dense solid. The crust. The thickness of the crust varies in the range of 5 to 30 kilometers in case of the oceanic crust and is 50 to 70 kilometers in case of the continental crust. The continental crust can be thicker than 70 kilometers in the areas of major mountain systems. It is as much as 70 to 100 kilometers thick in the Himalayan region. The temperature of the crust increases with depth, reaching values typically in the range from about 200 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius at the boundary with the underlying mantle. The temperature increases by as much as 30 degrees Celsius for every kilometer in the upper part of the crust. The mantle. It forms about 83% of the Earth's volume and holds 67% of the Earth's mass. It extends from Moho's discontinuity to a depth of 2,900 kilometers. The density of the upper mantle varies between 2.9 grams per cc and 3.3 grams per cc. The lower mantle extends beyond the asthenosphere. It is in a solid state. The density ranges from 3.3 grams per cc to 5.7 grams per cc in the lower mantle. The mantle is composed of silicate rocks that are rich in iron and magnesium relative to the overlying crust. Regarding its constituent elements, the mantle is made up of 45% oxygen, 21% silicon, and 23% magnesium (OSM). In the mantle, temperatures range from approximately 200 degrees Celsius at the upper boundary with the crust to approximately 4000 degrees Celsius at the core mantle boundary. Asthenosphere. The upper portion of the mantle is called as asthenosphere. Astheno means weak. It lies just below the lithosphere, extending up to 80 to 200 kilometers. It is highly viscous, mechanically weak and ductile, and its density is higher than that of the crust. The outer core. The outer core, surrounding the inner core, lies between 2,900 kilometers and 5,100 kilometers below the Earth's surface. The outer core is composed of iron mixed with nickel, NiFe, and trace amounts of lighter elements. The outer core is not under enough pressure to be solid, so it is liquid even though it has a composition similar to the inner core. The density of the outer core ranges from 9.9 grams per cc to 12.2 grams per cc. The temperature of the outer core ranges from 4,400 degrees Celsius in the outer regions to 6,000 degrees Celsius near the inner core. Dynamo theory suggests that convection in the outer core, combined with the Coriolis effect, gives rise to Earth's magnetic field. The inner core. The inner core extends from the center of the Earth to 5,100 kilometers below the Earth's surface. The inner core is generally believed to be composed primarily of iron, 80%, and some nickel, NiFe. Since this layer can transmit shear waves, transverse seismic waves, it is solid. When P waves strike the outer core to inner core boundary, they give rise to S waves. Earth's inner core rotates slightly faster relative to the rotation of the surface. The solid inner core is too hot to hold a permanent magnetic field. The density of the inner core ranges from 12.6 grams per cc to 13 grams per cc. The core, that is, inner core and the outer core, accounts for just about 16% of the Earth's volume but 33% of Earth's mass. So, this is all about the internal structure of the Earth. Thank you and subscribe for more videos.